You're with News 5 tonight. Authorities here say Singapore did not import the 2 batches of Cadbury chocolates that Malaysia says contain pig DNA. Cadbury Malaysia says it takes the issue very seriously and has immediately recalled all affected products.
Cadbury, one of the world's most famous chocolate brands, is in hot soup in Malaysia. This after 2 of its products, Cadbury Dairy Milk Roasted Almond and Hazelnut Bars, were tested by the Health Ministry to contain pig DNA. The chocolate bars were tested randomly off the shelves from the northern states of Kedah and Perlis in February. They have been certified to be halal by Malaysia's Islamic Development Department, or JAKIM. But the shocking report was only made public after it was leaked last week via the social media.
Before anybody could inform, it actually came out in the social media.
The company says serious steps have been taken to ensure all its products comply with Islamic rules and regulations. Now, a quick check at the shops shows that Cadbury has indeed taken the roasted almond and the hazelnut milk bars off the shelves. But its other products, like the fruit and nut bars, are still available. And the health minister has promised to test all of them in a bid to find out where the pig DNA originated from. But angry Muslim consumers complain that it's all too little too late.
Because it's actually one of my favorite. So to find out the news about this is very upset. I'm very upset with Cadbury.
Malaysia has been actively promoting itself as a halal food hub. The incident has now shaken public confidence on the accuracy of the halal certification issued by the country's Islamic Development Department. Melissa Go, Channel News Asia, Kuala Lumpur.